Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I will share with us hidden features on the Temu app that can help you save money. I mean, not a lot of people know about these features, and I just thought to share it with us, okay? Now, the first feature is this. Let's say you want a particular item. I'll just choose a random item, okay? I'll choose this, and from what you can see here, this sandals is going for €7 and 74 cents, but you can actually get this same sandals for a cheaper price or even a higher price. Okay, all you need to do is this: click on the picture and then you click on this sign right here. What this sign does is that it brings the same item or a similar item to you at different prices. Now, the reason for the different price is this: it's just because of the difference in sellers or manufacturers. Definitely, everyone will not have the same price. So that's why you can get the same item or a similar item for different prices. Okay. Now, initially, we saw it for €7 and some cents. But you can see from the selection here, I can see the one for 6.28, the same sandals, the same design, everything. Okay, I can see another one for 6.98. I can see one for 9.24, and that's just it. Whatever item you're searching for, just what I've shown you, and you will definitely see a cheaper price, okay? Or even a higher price, or maybe you just want to explore other, manufacturers or sellers. Remember, whenever you're buying anything on the Temu app, go through the reviews to be sure that this is what you actually want. It's simple. Click on the item, scroll down to where you have the reviews, click on this arrow and just read through, okay? Go for the item that has a lot of reviews so that you can actually make a good choice. Now, the second feature is this: click on the U icon and click on coupons and offers. Okay, right here, you're going to see your unused coupons, your used coupons, and the expired ones. From here, you can see that I have 100% reward back. I have a get your €130 cash. I have gifts at €0. So I always come here to check what I have available to me. You should, whether you're a new app user or existing app user, always come to this section to see what coupons are available to you or what offers the Temu app has available for you. There are definitely really nice offers right here. Now, the third one is this: click on the messages and then click on promotion. For this section is actually a bit similar to the coupons and offers. Just, scroll through to see what you have available. I have the Get Credit Now available to me. I have the credit back. So anyone I'm interested in, I can just, click on it. Let me show you what this Gets Credit Now. You could just click on it and follow the prompts, follow the instruction, whatever it is you're asked to do. That's if you're interested in it, you can go ahead to, do it. This would definitely help you save some cash. This will definitely help you save some money on the Temu app. Now, the last feature I'll show us today is the price adjustment feature. Click on the U icon, click on the your orders, and then click on this arrow. If you have a recent order, you will definitely see the price adjustment feature there. If you can't see it right here, click on these three dots and you'll see it there, okay? At this moment, there is no price adjustment available to me, so that is why I'm getting that message. So what is this price adjustment? Price adjustment is just the difference in price of, the item you bought. The moment you bought that item, and then at a later time, if there is any deduction in price, Temu will actually give you the difference. All right. That means that if you bought a pair of shoes for €10, for example, and then maybe 2 days later, that shoe is being sold for it's being sold for €8. Temu will give you the difference, which is €2. So that €2 is the price adjustment. Okay, they will definitely give it to you. So even after you get the €2, and then let's say in 4 or 5 days later, that shoe is now being sold from €8 to let's say 6 euros, the difference is still 2 euros, they'll still give it to you. All right. So whenever you place an order on the Temu app, whatever order it is, always come to this section to check for your price adjustment. Check every day. Now, from the day you place the order, I think you have 30 days to actually claim your price adjustments. After 30 days, I think it doesn't apply anymore. So for the first 30 days, make sure you always come back to check. You will definitely see something, no matter how small, even if it's 1 cent, 2 cents, like check every day. You might be lucky to see something every day, no matter how small it is. I mean, it's going to help in the deduction of your next order on the Temu app. Okay. Yes, so that is another way I save on the Temu app. And that is the last picture I'm showing us today. I hope you've gotten value from this video. And if you've watched to this point, thank you so much. If you've gotten value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.